In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze meetings in Hubspot in just 5 minutes. If you're managing a team or keeping track of various meetings, understanding how to utilize Hubspot's meeting analysis tools can greatly enhance productivity and organization. Let's dive right in with these straightforward steps to get you started efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot URL or simply search for Hubspot. The homepage is your main gateway, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to different aspects of business management. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you've saved your password, your browser might fill this in for you, ensuring a breezy login process. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home dashboard. From here, your next task is to access the library. The library section is where you'll find a variety of options, including reports and tools that are crucial for meeting analysis. Click on library to proceed. This is where the magic starts happening. Once in the library section, the next step is to locate and click on the meeting scheduler. This handy tool helps you to organize and keep track of all your meeting agendas and schedules in one place. Now, to start analyzing your meetings, click on Meetings. Doing so will take you to a detailed list of all the meetings you've scheduled or been invited to. Within this section, you'll be able to explore all the meetings at your disposal, including those completed, pending, or upcoming. Keep in mind that the Meetings tool not only holds the key to better organization, but also offers insights that might not be obvious at first glance. By delving into this resource, you can find patterns and determine which meetings are consuming more time than they should, or which are the most productive. Finally, it's essential to remember that repeating the steps by clicking again on meetings can sometimes be necessary if you need to refresh or update the data you see. Utilizing the meetings section efficiently allows you to derive significant insights, enabling you to streamline workflow, enhance communication within your team, and optimize your meeting schedules for maximum efficiency. That's it for today's quick tutorial on how to analyze meetings in HubSpot. We've walked through each step to ensure you can seamlessly access and interpret your meeting data. Remember, staying organized and keeping a close eye on your meetings can lead to better time management and improved outcomes for your team. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.